Dreaming of starting your own online business? The world is shopping from their phones, and this is your chance to build your own digital empire. Hi, welcome to K Class, and this complete step by step guide on how to set up an e commerce business in India. Whether you are a student or a job seeker or a future entrepreneur, this video is your starting point. E commerce or electronic commerce is the process of buying and selling goods and services using the internet. From fashion to food, electronic to education, everything today is being sold online. In India, e commerce is growing rapidly thanks to affordable smartphones, UPI, and increasing digital trust. So, if you are ever thought of starting an online business, this is a perfect time. Before you build your store, decide how and to whom you want to sell. Let's quickly understand your opinion. B2C, business to consumer, like Amazon or Flipkart. B2B, business to business, like India Mart. C2C, customers to customers, like OLX. And C2B, where consumer offer services to businesses, like freelancer. Now let's find the right product and audience. Ask yourselves, what are people buying online? Who are your customers? What problems can your product solve? Choose a focused niche like eco friendly products, pet supplies, or handmade gifts and build your store around it. Once your idea is ready, it's time to make it official. You can start as a sole proprietorship if you are solo, or go for a private limited company if you are planning big. Documents you will need is PAN and Aadhaar, business name and address proof, and registration. This step make your business legal and trustworthy in the eyes of your customers. Next, apply for your GST number. It's mandatory if your sales cross 20 lakhs per year. If you are selling internationally, get an import export code. Also, open a current account in your business name. This helps keep your business finance organized and professional. Now comes the fun part, setting up your online shop. You have three options: create your own website using platforms like Shopify, sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, or Meesho, or use both for maximum reach. You have made your store, now you need to deliver. Partner with courier services like Delivery and Blue Card. Decide where you will ship, delivery charges, return, or refund policies. A good delivery experience equals to a happy customer. You will also need a payment gateway to accept online payments safely. Customers should be able to pay via UPI, debit, or credit card, and net banking. Make sure your site is secure and have been certified with a SSL certificate so user trust you with their money. Starting an e-commerce business in India is not a rocket science. With a great idea, the right tools, and little consistency, you can build a brand that reach thousands across the country. Start simple, focus on customers' trust, and grow one step at a time. Your business journey will start now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will here to help you grow.